Okay, let me give it a prompt here. I'm going to tell it to add a sentence at the top that states that this has been developed by Think Data Solutions. When I first started prompting, I would not use my natural language. I would say, please go to the topmost portion on the left-hand side. Like, don't do that. Natural language means talk to it in your natural language. So for me, I'm going to say, put a sentence at the top. All right, let me go ahead and run this. You see where it added it right here? Okay, so it told me that it added smaller, subtler title, bold for emphasis, and centered. That's really great. I like that. And I can even tell it that. Okay, look at these options here. Now, we can add this to the doc, meaning add this prompt to the doc. We can copy the response. We can give it a big thumbs up. We can say, no, we didn't like it, or we can schedule it. And then we have other options here. Read aloud, export to Word. So just different options for you to explore. Now, again, I'm using Copilot Premium, and that's what gives me this capability. So if you're watching this video and you don't have Copilot Premium, I would say go to your organization's policies and find out how to request Copilot Premium. Again, it comes with enterprise data protection and all of these edit features. All right, now let's go take a look at the version history again. So File, Info, Version History. So here's my previous version. Here's my modified version. If I show the edits, it actually highlights right here for those edits. All right, great. Now I need to close my version history, and now I'm back to my document. Okay, let's keep learning.